Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today also how to design a 2D map in AutoCAD software. Before going to start, I'm requesting everybody. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. Now see this mark. So I'm hiding this one, then creating new one. Okay, then at first I'm going to take out. I'm taking the start and radius arc. And first of all, 1. Then I'm taking the distance is 10. So press 10, then enter. And I'm taking this one is upwards 50. And the radius is 50. Now it's done. Then taking the line, and I'm taking also 10. And going here, downwards, and make it. Then join. Okay. Then again taking the arc start and end radius arc. So 1 point, another point, and the arc radius is also 2 point. Now done. Then select this one, going to the mirror, and one click, another click on this portion. Then now, then select this one and delete from this keyboard. See, after that, I'm taking a law. I'm going to the offset command and offset, then 0.1, then offset inside. Then inside, this one is 0.1. Okay. So what happened here? I have seen. I'm taking against the offset 0.2, or I'm taking 0.35. Okay, it's similar, so I can also, okay, it's better, I think. 0.2, 0.35, and again 0.25. Okay, and this one is taken 0.1. No, see. After it, I'm going to the line, sketch a line from the mid, then okay, taking a line from up to here to up to 25. So sorry, I'm going to take the line, sketch the line from here, then going up to 3.5, then downwards here, then done. Then I'm going to select this one, then after that I'm going to the offset and taking the 0.2, then select this one, select this one, select this one. Or I can take this one to 0.4. So offset 0.35. Okay, again and again, sorry. And I'm taking this one is also 0.35, and this one is also 0.35, and this one is also 0.35, and again 0.35. And it's done. Then escape from the keyboard. After that, I'm selecting the upper one, or I can go in here, select the trim, right button is click, then trim this one, trim this one, trim this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, After that, I'm going here, trim this one, this one, this one, and this one, and also this one. And now it's also uh, trim, trim, and trim this one. Okay, done. The work is done, and again I can also here it's not a selected. That's why I have to do another work, and I will also do this. I'm going to the stand and I'm click on this line. Now enter, enter, and here. Not working. So step again going to the extend, click on this line, enter, click on this line. Similarly, click on this, again see on this line. Now it's joined. Escape from the keyboard. Now I'm going to the here and trim, right button click, then trim it, then trim it. Okay. After that, the work is done. Then I'm going here. Let's see. I'm going to the fillet. Then I'm selecting the radius, and I'm taking this one is the 0.2. Then trim it, and also again take it and radius. It also 0.2. Then select this one. Okay. Now, so problem again going here. Trim radius 0.2. Select this one and select this one. Now done. See. After that, I'm going to take the again fillet radius 0.2 and for this one. Okay. Similarly, going to the fillet radius and also 0.2. Now select this one and this one. It's done. After going to the table line and join line, this point, right click, again line, then join to this point. Okay, now it's done. Then, okay, then I'm going here and take the radius 0.2. Now I'm seeing. Okay, for that, taking the line from here to here, right click, enter, and going to the fillet, taking the radius 0.2, then this one and this one. Also take the line, join to this point. Okay. Then again going to the fillet and radius 0.2. Now select this one. Again going to the fillet and radius 0.2. Select this one. Okay, done. The work is done. After that, I'm going to the here and taking the gradient. I'm taking this one, select here, and I'm increasing 0.1. Now see, or I can change also this one, add anything, then close escalation. Now the move is done, or otherwise I can go in here, select the gradient and select outside this one and this, sorry, and this one here, the specified point located on object. So this one is done mainly, and the okay, yeah, all are selected, so it's not taking when it will be select, then all are will be included. it's showing. Then once okay. After that, what can I do? I can go into the mark text. Then select this one. Then okay. Then I'm taking the how to design design a mug in AutoCAD. Okay, selecting this one and taking this one is the one. Okay, done. Select this. This one is going here. Then you think that I think everybody has got it how to sketch a mug in AutoCAD software. If you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. The Redesign Engineering is always with you.